Yeah, English is the universal language.
Yeah, universal language. You can easily communicate with others. You can expose something.
So I would consider you also want to communicate better.
Yeah.
How about you, sir?
Please for communication.
Okay. Public speaking is all about communicating with people. This is the universal point in public speaking. There are so many other things also, like body language, how to connect well with your audience, or it can be, how to structure your presentation and how to keep your audience hooked to you so that they don't get bored. So this is what public speaking skills is about. How many of you found Bishal on the internet? Great, me too. So 6 months ago, I had this wonderful idea in my mind. I thought this idea will make me a lot of money. I had this idea and I had the experience, but I was looking for a way to get my ideas through to the people so that I can give something of value to them which will make them come to me and buy my product or anything like that. So I started thinking, and then I thought, okay, I have everything. I have a formal education and I am capable of talking to people. So why not go try? Then I started trying it on my own without knowing ABC of public speaking. I went to company 1, company 2, company 3, and so on. The process went on.